ticket system is a simple project built using the T-Counter library for the graphical user interface, Pandas for saving ticket data, and the date time module for adding booking timestamps. The script started by importing the required libraries for our project and then set up two variables, an empty list called tickets to store all booked tickets and a ticket add underscore counter to generate unique ticket IDs like TKT001, TKT002, and so on. Like when we booked a ticket, first a person got 001, then 002, like so on. When the program runs, a window opens with the buttons to buy a ticket, where booked tickets, generate a record, or the is the application. If the user click the buy ticket button, pop-up dialog appear, one after the other asking for the passenger's name, age, or enter source destination, source station, or date time, like that. After that, it's returned to the main menu, and a message pop up like ticket booked successfully with the unique ticket ID. The wave ticket function, now wave ticket function, shows all booked tickets in a pop-up. If no ticket has been booked yet, a warning message appears instant. The generate record button saves all ticket details into an Excel file and a text file in the same folder. This way, the user can keep a permanent copy of all bookings. Finally, the exist button closes the window safely. The program uses the Tinker main loop to keep the interface running until the user decided to close. Overall, this project demonstrates the use of Python for GUI design, simple data storage, list file handling with pandas, and basic user interaction with pop-ups. It is a clear example how Python can be used to build small practical desktop application. Now we see and run this code. So let's run this code. Now I run this code. After running this code, pop-up is appear. Here's buy ticket, wave tickets, and generate record, and other is exit button. First is buy ticket. After pressing this buy ticket, this is asking enter your name. Then we enter our name. Then enter. Now this asks us for age. Now we enter our age. Then source station. We go Khed to Pune. Then date. So I have to travel on 18th July to 2025. Then my ticket ID is TKT001 and my ticket is booked. Okay. Now we wave tickets. This is my ID, this is my name, my age, source, destination, travel date, and booked on. When booked on, and the time when I booked the ticket.